Hi, I am Nijati, a computer scientist with 20 years of experience, and I share my experience and thoughts on this channel. Let's start. So, about a month ago, I installed Claude Code on my son's computer. By the way, I gave him a Linux computer, to be honest. I opened the terminal, it said Claude Code, and now he's using it. So I thought, okay, it will be cool, like he will make some simple games, some like HTML, JavaScript, and that's it. And in the last about 30-40 days, he coded more than 30 web games with HTML and JavaScript. Of course, when I say coding, mostly I should say it is vibe coding. Don't think it is 100% coding. So roughly he has one game per day. So then there was a school assignment and his teacher asked him to prepare a presentation. I am working at my desk. He walks in and says, "Look what I did." And to be honest, I was shocked when what I saw. He built the entire presentation with Claude Code. Not PowerPoint, not Google Slides, nothing, just Claude Code. So that's something I was not expecting, because I was expecting him to use Claude Code only as a, like gaming tool, a creative engine so he can explore and, like build some tools, build some games. Then it seems this gamification in this tool, in this AI tool, kept him exploring. Every probably mini-win felt like he's leveling up. One day he unlocked a new part of the map. And this is like, hey, this tool is not only for games. I think this is what he figured out. He understood that this is not just for games. It is also a tool he can use for other purposes. So that's the lesson. AI tools aren't just single-use gadgets, and I'm sure you do know it, but I'm talking about an 8-year-old kid here. We know AI tools are open worlds. The more you play with it, the more you see the new possibilities, the new paths, the new games, and suddenly you see it as you see the gamification in the AI tool usage process. So if you're experimenting right now with AI, treat it like a sandbox, not a screwdriver. What else could I do with this? Where else I can apply this same skill? For my son, games was the tutorial. Building a game with Claude Code was the tutorial to using Claude Code, to using AI tools. But now he unlocked another path, and it is using it for presentation. And I am sure he will unlock the new hidden maps in the next days, in the next months. Yeah, so that's what I want to talk about. AI tools feels like games sometimes. You are learning, you are unlocking your new skills, and you are improving yourself. See you.